So I have this damper tester, just an appliance plug. I have Wago connectors on the top. These are rated for 26 amps. The plug itself is rated for 10 amps. Most of these actuators that we use only pull 0.25, 0.5. Most of them pull less than 1 amp. The connection is pretty straightforward. You have a hot, neutral, and ground. Corresponds to a hot, neutral, and ground. These connectors clip on when you close that lever. Give a tug and make sure they're in there good. Use a GFCI. And the plug has a built-in switch right here. Energize the damper, it drives open, it drives to where you need it. De-energize, the spring returns it to the starting position. There's also these inverters that I found. They're only rated for 2.1 amps, but like I said, most dampers we use are less than 1 amp. Turn the inverter on, reset, and this will be good in situations where we don't have power available just yet. So we can still test the dampers early on. Pretty affordable setup. The plugs were about $15 each. The box of 50 connectors was maybe $25, and the inverter was $40. That's it.